Why you shouldn't ignore rebuild errors. What is a rebuild error? It's a sign something in your model isn't working. Missing references, broken mates, or invalid geometry. Why it matters? Ignoring it can lead to downstream issues, failed features, wrong dimensions, or parts that won't update properly. What you should do? 1. Investigate the feature tree for red or yellow icons. 2. Fix broken references or update missing files. 3. Use Evaluate Performance Evaluation to identify problem areas. Pro tip: always resolve errors before saving or moving on. Even minor ones can snowball in large assemblies. Conclusion: a clean rebuild equals a reliable model. Follow at JOA Designs for more CAD best practices.